Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In a very interesting move, Google has released quantized version of their own Gemma 3 model. They have released quants for their 27 billion, 4 billion and 1 billion model. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can get it installed through Llama.CPP and Ollama on your local system. Before I show you that, let's talk a bit more about this quantization technique which Google has used, because instead of going with the normal technique of I matrix, which a lot of people use, such as this one, Google has gone with QAT. QAT is different from iMatrix in a sense that it maintains the performance of the original model, because iMatrix, which stands for importance matrix, is a method that identifies and tries to preserve crucial activations during the quantization process, computing activation importance based on calibration data, but it still has a lot of performance degradation. That is where quantization aware training comes into play. And by the way, quantization is simply the process of reducing the numerical precision used to store and compute model parameters. So quantization aware training means to train a model that is aware of quantization step that will later be applied during deployment. Essentially, it simulates quantization behavior during training so that the final deployed quantized model doesn't face accuracy loss that would otherwise occur if quantization were applied after training or post training. And this is expensive process, and that is why I think Google has gone for it, because they can afford it. Anyway, so let's try to get it installed and we will see how it works. If you want to learn more about this actual Gemma 3 model, just search my channel. I have done heaps of videos on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first show you how to do it with Llama.CPP, because Llama.CPP not only allows you to do the text inference with this quantized model, but also image inference, whereas Ollama based one only does the text base. Also, Ollama based one is not fully ready yet, by the way, but I will still show you how to do that. But main focus will be on the Llama.CPP. And as you can see that they have released this Q4 version in the gguf format. So let's first install our Llama.CPP. Llama.CPP can be installed quite easily. Just go to their GitHub repo of Llama.CPP, then go to its release page, and from there you will see that there are a lot of zip files available for your respective operating system. So I am running here Ubuntu 22.04, and my GPU card is NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Both of them have been sponsored by Massed Compute. So if you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, you can also find their link in the video's description. So from this page, search for your respective Ubuntu version or Linux version. So for me, this is Ubuntu X64. So I'm just going to copy the link from here, and I will go to my terminal. From the terminal, I can simply do wget, and then it is going to download it. Maybe I will, just for the sake of clarity, I'll just make a new directory. Okay, it's already exists. Okay, so you see my llama.cpp is already there. So all I have done is I have just run this command. That's it. So once you run this, it is going to download that zip file which you already see, and then you just need to do unzip and then llama dash this one. In fact, I am just going to remove this because I'll just get the latest one. Sorry, I'm doing it in real time, because the reason why I am doing the latest one, because that is where the support of this new model is. I don't think so it is in the previous models. There you go. So I'm just going to unzip it in front of you, and we have unzipped it. If you do ls, now you can see you have the build. From the build, you can go into the bin directory, and this is where we run the llama.cpp. But we also need to download the model. In order to download the model, all you need to do is to go to this Gemma 3 QAT. From there you can select your model. For example, this is my Google's Gemma model. Make sure that you are logged into Hugging Face and you have accepted all the terms and conditions, and it is a gated model. So you see I already have accepted it. And then maybe what I will do, I will just open a new terminal, and in this new terminal first I will install this Hugging Face app. The reason why I am installing it, because I need to log into Hugging Face, and in order to log in you would need to run this Hugging Face CLI command like this, and from there you can simply paste your read token, which you can grab for free from huggingface.co, and you can see that I am now logged in to my local system. And now in order to download the model, you just go to wherever you want to save it. For example, I just want to save it in my models directory, and from there you need to run this command and make sure to replace your Hugging Face token again here in the bearer one, and it is going to download it in your local directory. I already have done it, so I'm not going to run it now. And this is my model file. And now we can do the inference. For inference from the bin directory, and I have gone back to my previous terminal where we installed this Llama.CPP. So I'm just giving it the path to the model and then a simple text prompt. And once you run it, it is going to load this Llama.CPP. And I believe it is running both on CPU and GPU. There you go. So it is going to write the joke about life. So there we have our inference. Let me quickly show you how much VRAM it is consuming. So nothing, it's all running on CPU. And you can talk more about it. So you see the response is very, very good. Similarly, you can ask it, write me a code to do a Mandelbrot set in Java. There you go. So it is writing the code. Let's see how it goes. Looks quite good at the start. It is importing the right libraries, and it is all running on CPU Q4 Quant 27 billion parameter model. And because it is using QAT, so the performance is not bad. I'm not going to do very extensive benchmarking here, because in this one I just wanted to show you how you can run this QAT on CPU on your local system with this Llama.CPP. And then I'm also going to show you now how you can do it with the Ollama. And you see that the code is spot on. It's really, really very good quality. It doesn't seem like a Q4 code, to be honest. I will let this run. Let me show you how you can run it with Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is, it is one of the easiest way to run large language models in a quantized version. Now, in order to do the Ollama, there is one thing you need to do beforehand. You would need to go to your local system wherever you have installed Ollama. Maybe I'll just take you here. And I have my Ollama installed this in .ollama directory. Do ls here. You see there are some files here. These are the public key, private key. We need to get the content of this directory, which is id, which ends with the pub or public key. So basically we are copying our public key. So just cat it here. Grab this whole thing. This is your public key. Copy it. Go to your Hugging Face website. I'll just open it in front of you. Now in this Hugging Face website, just click on settings after logging in with your free email account. Then go to SSH and JPG key, and you see I'll just remove this. Click on add SSH key. Paste your SSH key here, and then click on, or maybe just give it a name, my key, and then click on add key. So your key has been added. So once you have done that, you would need to go to your local system, provided you have Ollama installed. So I already have Ollama installed. From there, All you need to do is to run this command, which is going to download the Ollama based model for you. So that is all you needed to do. Okay, let's go back and check what is happening in our, there you go, it is still writing the code. So the code looks really good. And if you want to see how the image one works, you won't be able to use Llama CLI. You would need to use Llama -CLI Gemma 3, which I already have covered in this video, which I did some time back. So that's pretty much it. Before I let you go, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel makes it really, really easy if you are looking to do multi-agents infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And they're also an open source community. And I will drop their link in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.